Fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms convert sugars into acids, gases, or alcohol. This biological phenomenon not only preserves food but also enhances flavors, textures, and nutritional value. The types of fermentation include lactic acid fermentation, alcoholic fermentation, and acetic acid fermentation, each with its unique characteristics and applications in food production. In food fermentation, various microorganisms play a crucial role, most notably bacteria, yeasts, and molds. Lactic acid bacteria such as lactobacillus are vital for producing yogurt and sauerkraut. Yeasts such as Saccharomyces cerevisiae are essential in baking bread and brewing alcoholic beverages. Fungal organisms like Aspergillus are involved in the fermentation of soy products like miso and soy sauce, showcasing the diverse capabilities of these microorganisms. Dairy fermentation is a specific area where the role of microorganisms is particularly pronounced. The fermentation of milk yields various products such as yogurt and cheese thanks to the action of lactic acid bacteria. These microorganisms transform lactose, the sugar found in milk, into lactic acid, which thickens the milk and develops its characteristic tangy flavor. Additionally, the fermentation process aids in the preservation of dairy products by inhibiting spoilage organisms. Key points about fermentation include: 1. It improves food safety by preventing harmful bacteria growth. 2. It enhances digestibility. 3. It boosts nutritional value. 4. It adds unique flavors. 5. It can create new food textures. 6. Different types of fermentation yield diverse products. 7. It is cost effective for food preservation. 8. Fermentation techniques vary globally. 9. It relies heavily on specific strains of microorganisms. And 10. It facilitates a sustainable food system. For food fermentation, key points include: 1. The importance of temperature control. 2. The role of pH in fermentation. 3. Contamination prevention measures. 4. Quality control methods. 5. The significance of starter cultures. 6. Regulatory aspects of fermented products. 7. Understanding fermentation kinetics. 8. Assessing organoleptic properties. 9. Packaging considerations. And 10. Consumer education on fermented food benefits. In dairy fermentation, key points highlight: 1. Strain selection for desired texture and flavor. 2. Syneresis control in cheese production. 3. The impact of fermentation time on product quality. 4. Milk pasteurization effects. 5. Storage conditions post-fermentation. 6. Variations in cheese types based on fermentation. 7. The significance of ripening. 8. Shelf life extensions through fermentation. 9. The nutritional profiles of different dairy ferments. And 10. Consumer acceptance of fermented dairy products. As part of your learning, consider these MCQs on fermentation. 1. What is the primary purpose of fermentation? Answer: preservation and enhancement of food. 2. Which microorganism is pivotal in yogurt production? Answer: Lactobacillus. 3. What type of fermentation is used in alcohol production? Answer: alcoholic fermentation. 4. What acid is primarily produced in lactic acid fermentation? Answer: lactic acid. 5. Which food product undergoes acetic acid fermentation? Answer: vinegar. 6. What is a common yeast used in baking? Answer: Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 7. Which type of fermentation is essential for kimchi? Answer: lactic acid fermentation. 8. What does fermentation do to lactose in dairy? Answer: converts it to lactic acid. 9. How does fermentation improve digestibility? Answer: by breaking down complex sugars. 10. Why is pH important in fermentation? Answer: it helps control microbial growth and flavor development.